Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, these are the cars I will be opening in today's diecast car opening and or unboxing video. And the reason why it's just a video is well, there's two different reasons really. One is low battery for phone, and the other thing is I've done like 3 or 4 lives already, so I think it's time that I take a break from doing live streams. And also, for other people, if they were to watch it from USA, you know, other people it's like 2 hours ahead of my time, and for other people it's like 1 or 2 hours behind. So, yeah, and you know, no one can control time when making diecast car videos. I hope everyone's fully aware of that. And I try to make these videos so that anyone can watch them at any time. So that's why I feel like this time doing a video would be better than a live, because it's just opening 7 cars, so it's not really, in terms of my viewpoint, like, something to worry that he doesn't make a live for kind of thing, because I've made a few really awesome lives these past few days on my channel, which if you haven't watched them, I would highly suggest you do that when you're able to. Alright, enough talk about previous lives or videos on my channel. I'm gonna get to opening these cars right now. So yeah, like I always say in my previous videos, if you're not seeing anything at all, it's because I'm opening the cards 1 car at a time, so that's why you won't see anything for like a few quick seconds. So yeah, but I'm going to open these 2 first, then these 3, and then those 2. So bye for now, and I will see you all relatively soon, within like the next few minutes, after all 7 cars are opened. Well, um, Alright, well, I am back with all 7 cars opened. The Zondas, the Challenger SRTs, which I think are the Hellcat, but I'm not quite sure, and the 2 Zamac Pontiac GTOs from 2006, and the 1990 Acura NSX in yellow. Those are all 7 cars open, and I'm going to show them a little bit closer now, so you can see them at a closer view, or angle, that is, in this video today. And I'm going to show them at a different viewer angle right now. And then here's another view. This time it's from the back, as you can tell, because some of these cars may or may not have detailed taillights. Oh, car got crashed a little bit, but not that much though. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this video, everyone. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, have a great rest of your week and weekend. And don't forget that Subscribers Choice Race 7, there's still 1 spot left for that race. And yes, these cars are also now allowed to get entered in that race too. In fact, I'm going to make a separate video today or tomorrow to let you know who's in that race and what cars everyone is in. So that way you don't have to keep repicking cars multiple times. Because for the people that are there, they can do one of 2 things, is stick with the car they have or choose a different car. So yeah, anyways, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.